Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful animal balloon. We need blower, balloons, rubber bands, marbles, it needs to be a bit heavy, and some texture. I'll start with the green balloon first. Before I blow the balloon, I put the marble in it. I try to insert the marble inside the balloon, and then I'll try to tie it. You ask an adult to do it for you guys. When the marble is inside the balloon, I get a rubber band and I tie it very tight. Now I put the balloon inside out to make the marble disappear inside it. Then with the blower, I blow the balloon the size that I want. Then I tie it normally. Now the balloon can stand, so we can draw the animal that we want on the balloon, like we can add eyes, nose and mouth, whiskers. We can pretend this is an animal, and it's so funny for the kids to play with. I will do the pink balloon this time. So again, I take the marble and I try to insert it inside the balloon. I make sure not to rip the balloon. Here we go. Now a rubber band to tie it. Last one. Then I try to insert it in to hide the marbles, and with the blower I blow the balloon the size that I want. I tie it. It's a bit hard, but we can do it. It's all done. Now I get the color that I want, and I draw eyes, nose, mouth, and whiskers. I pretend this is a cat. Now we have two balloons. The kids can draw whatever they like. They can draw circles, triangles, squares, whatever they like to draw they can do, and they can enjoy playing with the balloons, throwing the balloons from high, and looking at the balloons landing on the floor and standing up, even dancing. And you can do the same with the yellow balloon and other different colors. It's up to you. Bye.